These are two form requirements for an award are often combined either expressly or impliedly. For example, Article 31 Subclause 1 Model Law provides that an award shall be made in writing and be signed by the tribunal. By contrast, French Code of Civil Procedure states that the award shall be signed, thus implying or assuming that it must be in writing. New York Convention also imposes in Article 4 that the award be in writing. Under English Arbitration Act, an award is to be in writing unless otherwise agreed by the parties. Oral awards are thus not precluded, but they remain extremely rare, which is fortunate given the evidential difficulties which they are liable to create at the enforcement stage, which will be dealt with in the later module.
In this slide, we go on to look at the orange list. So it's not red. The conflicts are not as clear as under the red list, but they are potential conflicts that have to be examined. And if the conflict falls into one of these categories, then it has to be reviewed with the parties, and the parties have to determine whether they will proceed with that potential arbitrator or that arbitrator under the circumstances listed in the orange list. So it is still an important category of conflicts to go through with the arbitrator or potential arbitrator, but it is not as damaging as the red list.
That leads to the second advantages of arbitration, which is that the arbitrators can be selected from a wider pool of experts, particularly in industry-specific, highly complex commercial cases. Parties have the freedom to choose arbitrators who are more knowledgeable on a particular industry sector and who has sat on many cases with similar issues.